Oh, that's a good Mr. Diego. Good job bringing the ball back. Oh, that's a good boy. Good boy. Very little boy. You're very good. Okay, ready? Yeah, Dad's got it. Ready? Ready? Here goes. Come. Oh, you brought it right back for Dad, did you? Good job. Oh, that's good kid. Ready? Ready? Here it is. Get him. Bring it back. Oh, good boy. Oh, you dropped it right on Dad's lap. It almost fell off. Very good. Good boy, yes. Oh, good kitten. Yeah. Okay, ready? Ready? One more time. Here we go. Good boy. Bring it back. Oh, excellent. Good job. And that is Diego, the super fetching kitten at 5 months old.